If you're looking for a proven way to make money online right now, Faceless YouTube Shorts Cash Channel is one of the most lucrative opportunities available. Thanks to recent advancements in AI, what used to take a team of experts can now be done by one person in a fraction of the time. In this video, I'll show you the exact tools to use, how to execute the strategy step by step, and how to actually get paid. Let's get started. Here is the exact tool stack you need to execute this strategy. First, you'll need ChatGPT Plus or Claude 3 for your core strategy and copywriting. That's about $20 a month. For visual assets, Midjourney or DALL-E will cost between $10 and $30 monthly. You'll use Canva Pro at $12 a month to bring everything together into professional layouts. Your total startup cost is under $50 a month, which you can easily recover with your first successful project or client. Step 1 is generating your core asset using AI. Copy the prompt you see on screen and paste it into ChatGPT or Claude. The key is giving the AI a specific persona, a clear target audience, and exact formatting requirements. Don't just ask for generic ideas, ask for a ready-to-use template that solves a specific problem. This process takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get right, but it replaces hours of manual work. Step 2 is refinement and packaging. This is crucial. Never sell raw AI output. Take what the AI generated, verify the details, and add your own human touch. Then, bring it into Canva to create a professional layout. Add your branding, incorporate high-quality images, and export it in the final format. That extra 20% of human effort is what separates a $5 product from a $500 service. Now, how do you actually make money? There are 3 proven methods. Method 1 is direct client services, selling this as a done-for-you service to businesses, charging $200 to $500 per project. Method 2 is creating digital products like templates or guides, selling them for $27 to $97 each on autopilot. Method 3 is using these assets as lead magnets to build an email list, which you then monetize with back-end affiliate offers. Pick one method to start and focus entirely on that. Let's look at a real example of this in action. A beginner targeted local businesses and used AI to create 5 high-quality sample assets. They spent a few hours reaching out to 50 prospects via email and direct message, offering this specific service. Within the first 30 days, they landed 3 clients at $300 each, generating $900 in revenue. The total time spent was about 10 hours. That's an effective hourly rate of $90, entirely powered by AI tools. Here is your 30-day action plan. Week 1, set up your AI tools and create 3 high-quality portfolio samples. Week 2, define your exact pricing and identify your target audience. Week 3, begin your outreach, committing to contacting 10 prospects every single day. Week 4, focus on following up and closing your first client or making your first digital product sale. Stick to this timeline, and you will see results. Your next steps are simple. Right now, choose your specific niche and sign up for the required AI tools. Today, generate your first test asset using the prompt provided and refine it in Canva. This week, finalize your portfolio of samples and start reaching out to your first batch of prospects. The tools are ready, the strategy is proven, and the market is waiting. Take action today.